Hey, what's up everyone? So today I'm doing a little facelift on the old Silverado. So thanks to Monty Crisp at Crisp Customs for the color matched headlights with the demon eyes and the halos. Here's the controller. And I'm also doing the lower skid plate right there in chrome. So everything will be swapped out today. First, we're going to start off by taking this plastic piece off so we can get to the grill, so we can start taking those headlights out. So these are the first part I'm taking out. I got this little door tool from AutoZone. I think it was like $8, and we're just taking them out. They pop right out. Just make sure you don't lose any of them. So now that I have all 12 popped out, he's ready to come right off. So here's the grill. Up top there are the 4 holding it in. Right there, right there, right there, and right there. And in order to get to the bottom of the grill, you have to take off this part right here. There's one there, and the one you can see hanging right here by my thumb is the other one. It's a 7mm for both. And I got this little 7mm wrench to get this one because that was the most difficult one. So I'm going to take that part off so I can get to the bottom of the grill. So here's the middle piece that you pulled off right here. They have the tabs right there that, well, I got under it and popped them down. It made it a lot easier to pull right out. So that's that. And now you can see the bottom of the grill where I have to take out. There's 1, 2, 3, 4. And so I'll take those out so I can get to the headlights. After you take all of those off, you just have to lift up and it comes right out. So now, I think there's 1, 2, 3, maybe 4 screws for the headlight. So I'll get on that and keep you guys updated. Was right. The 4th one is right there, and it's such a pain in the butt. I suggest you get one of these 10mm wrenches just to get this, because you can't get that with a socket. So I had to go buy this 10mm and just go at it. And this is the final one holding it all in. So get all that out and then we can get the new ones in. And here it is. All are out. And this was the only plug holding it in. So just hit the top and it should release. So now here we go. Put the new ones in. This is what it was all about right here. So the new halos with demon eyes and LEDs, and so that is complete. Now we can start putting everything back together. So putting the grill back on, you have the 4 at the bottom and the 4 at the top. What I did first was snug the top 4. There it is. Then put all the other ones into place on the bottom, then just torque those down. And don't do it too tight, because you'll never know when you have to take it off again. There's the grill all snapped in, and I actually forgot to show you guys. I'll put this back in, but there's the two screws right there, the bolts, and in the front just snaps in. There's a little pieces that'll snap in underneath the grill. Just ride it right in place, snap it in, and it's one of the easier parts. So there's the two. So hopefully you guys know how to take off the grill now, and there it is. So to get these back in, just pop out the top, either with some pliers or some needle nose, and just pop off the top and stick it right in the hole. Press down, and bam, last one, and she is finished. So hopefully you guys like the build. New headlights with projectors, halos, demon eyes, and the LED strip with the clear headlights with the color match. So Chris Customs out of Atlanta, Georgia build them. If you guys head over to my Instagram, he's one of my sponsors, so just hit him up and start your build. So thanks for watching, and please subscribe, and I'll keep making more content.